Join me as I put the new iPhone 16 to the test and see if it really is a game changer for travel enthusiasts like us. The wait is finally over, and the iPhone 16 has arrived, promising to revolutionize the way we travel with its cutting-edge features and capabilities. As a travel enthusiast myself, I was excited to get my hands on this device and see if it lives up to the hype. Capturing the perfect shot during our travels can be a challenge, especially when dealing with harsh lighting conditions or trying to get that Instagram-worthy pose in front of an iconic landmark. And let's be honest, who hasn't struggled with navigating unfamiliar cities, getting lost in translation, or dealing with spotty internet connectivity? These are just a few of the common pain points we face as travelers, and they can really put a damper on our adventure. For instance, I've lost count of how many times I've had to sacrifice photo quality just to get a shot in low light, or how many hours I've wasted trying to get online in a foreign country. And don't even get me started on the frustration of dealing with dead batteries when you need your phone the most. It's moments like these where you wish you had a device that could keep up with your travel lifestyle. As travelers, we rely heavily on our smartphones to document our experiences, stay in touch with loved ones, and navigate unfamiliar territories. But all too often, our devices fall short, leaving us feeling disconnected and frustrated. That's why it's crucial to have a device that's specifically designed with travelers in mind. And the iPhone 16 claims to be just that. The iPhone 16 boasts an impressive camera system, complete with advanced night mode capabilities and an ultra-wide-angle lens that's perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes. And with enhanced battery life, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of internet use on a single charge, which is a game changer for travelers who are always on the go. Plus, with features like built-in language translation and augmented reality maps, this device is designed to make navigating foreign cities a breeze. I remember a recent trip to Japan, where I found myself lost in the streets of Tokyo, struggling to communicate with locals and find my way back to my hotel. If only I had the iPhone 16 back then, I would have been able to use the built-in translation feature to communicate with locals and navigate the city with ease. It's experiences like these that make me realize just how much of a difference the right device can make when traveling. I recall another instance where I was on a hot air balloon ride over the Serengeti, and I was able to capture stunning photos of the African savanna thanks to the iPhone 16's advanced camera capabilities. It was truly breathtaking, and the quality of the photos still blows my mind to this day. Moments like these are what make traveling with the iPhone 16 so special. It's not just a device, it's a trusted companion that enhances your travel experience. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 truly is a game changer for travel enthusiasts like us. With its impressive camera system, enhanced battery life, and travel-friendly apps, this device is designed to make our travels easier, more enjoyable, and more memorable. So, have you ever had a travel experience that was transformed by your smartphone? Share your stories with me in the comments below, and be sure to check out my next video on travel tips and tricks for making the most of your next adventure.